It's the light that pierces through you to the darkest hidden place. It knows your deepest secrets, but it never looks away. It's the gentle hand that pulls you from the judgment of the crowd. When you stand before them guilty and you got no way out. Some may call it foolish and impossible, but for every heart it rescues, it's a miracle. It's nothing less than scandalous, this love that took our place. Just call it what it is, call it grace. Call it grace. It's the breath that's breathing new life into what we thought was dead. It's the favor that takes orphans, placing crowns upon their heads. It's the hope for our tomorrows, the rock on which we stand. It's a strong and mighty fortress, even hell can't stand against. Some may call it foolish and impossible, but for every heart it rescues, it's a miracle. It's nothing less than scandalous, this love that took our place. Just call it what it is, call it grace. Call it grace. Call it grace.
Have a blessed birthday, Dad. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Kuya MJ. Ingat kayo dyan parati ni ate at ni Timote. Ingat. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy MJ! Halong kamuda per mega bless! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tito MJ. I hope you are well today because it's especially your birthday. I hope you are well in this day.
Happy birthday, Tito MJ! I love you!
Naman ay
Pwede itong maituring na unauthorized processing na siyang pinagbabawal sa batas. Of course,
Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Tisay, Bong, ako na ng happy birthday sa iyo, anak. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating. Na wala kong ibang inahangad, lagi kang malakas at matibay, pati na yung pamilya, ang iyong anak. Sana patubayan kayo ng Amang Diyos na tulungan kayo niya. Wala ko ibang masabi. Sana marami pa kayong birthday na darating. Yan lang masasabi ko sa iyo, Bong. Lagi ko sila sabi, huwag mong kalimutan ang iyong pag-iinom ng gamot mo. Halagahan mo ang sarili, pati na yung pamilya. Sige, thank you na lang.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you po kasi kahit malayo po kayo, you make time for me na makausap po ako at di niyo po ako kinakalimutan. Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless po. I love you.
Post ng guro kung location sila ang naging kondisyon ng estudyante para hindi ituloy ang reklamo ng Nagkasundo na rin sa ang magkabilang sa rest ng national responsive Pilipinas. Kasati na ang sa ating Pilipinas niya sina Asia Strongers, Regine